Good morning, student. Today we will discuss about the subject science, standard 7, chapter number 2, nutrition in animal. Okay, but nutrition in animal. Today our topic is digestion in human. First of all, we discuss about what is digestive system in human. In human, mouth cavity means buccal cavity, esophagus, stomach, liver, small intestine, large intestine, and rectum and anus is also associated with each other, then form human digestive system. So now, question is digestion in human. What is process of digestion of food in human? What is process of digestion of food in human? But first of all, human take our hand food from inside mouth. With the help of teeth, the food particle is also chewing with the help of teeth small particles. So, in this way, food particles is also divided into small particles or TV-like structures. And then, on the mouth upper surface, is it found endocrine gland. This endocrine gland is also secreted one type of a watery fluid material is called as saliva. Saliva means lard. In this saliva is also found biocatalyst means enzyme. They also digested in mouth carbohydrate into starch or maltose means starch को maltose में break down करता है. Then the smallest particles of food material is also passed through the help of a pipe-like structure is called as esophagus. And then the food particles is also reaches in stomach. In stomach is also found three tube-like structure is called as a endocrine gland. First is also secrete HCl, hydrochloric acid. And second gland is also secrete pepsin. And third is also secrete mucus. With the help of hydrochloric acid, the total food particles is also converted in acidic medium. And mucus and pepsin is also digested in food particles protein amount. फूड पार्टिकल्स में जो प्रोटीन की अमाउंट होती है उसको डाइजेस्ट कौन करता है? पेप्सिन करता है. एंड देन म्यूकस is also provide protection against from hydrochloric acid which secreted from stomach. And then the food material is also processed through a small intestine. Small intestine. In this way, total food particles is also become acidic medium. And then from liver, from bile duct, it is tube-like structure or bile duct. Bile duct is also secreted bile. Bile means pitta. Bile is a one type of a yellowish color and basic medium substances. They also secreted in small intestine. And total food amount which become acidic medium when come the bile, they also become alkaline medium. Means ये पहले से क्या रहता है? एसिडिक मीडियम में रहता है, बट बाइल का सिक्रीशन जैसे ही होता है, बाइल यहाँ पे पहुंचता है तो बाइल बेसिक मीडियम का होता है, तो दोनों के बीच में रिएक्शन कंप्लीट होता है. एंड इन दिस वे the total food amount is become alkaline medium, and then they become digested slowly and slowly. And in this way, same time, pancreas is also secreted pancreatic genes like amylase, lipase and trypsin. Amylase is also digested carbohydrate, lipase is also digested fat, and trypsin is also digested protein. Means पैंक्रियास से पैंक्रियाटिक जूस सीक्रेट होता है, वो कैसा होता है, उसका नाम होता है एमाइलेज, लाइपेज एंड ट्रिप्सिन. एमाइलेज इज आल्सो डाइजेस्टेड कार्बोहाइड्रेट. एमाइलेज किसका डाइजेशन करता है, फूड पार्टिकल्स में जो कार्बोहाइड्रेट होता है. एंड सेकंड, लाइपेज इज आल्सो डाइजेस्टेड फैट मींस चर्बी को, एंड देन ट्रिप्सिन इज आल्सो डाइजेस्टेड प्रोटीन. इन दिस वे द टोटल फूड पार्टिकल्स इज बिकम आल्सो डाइजेस्टेड. एंड then in small intestine secreted, after digestion secreted a digestive sac. Digestive sac is a one type of a form of glucose, means C6H12O6 glucose. This glucose is also absorbed by the in small intestine is also found a finger-like projection is also called as villi. With the help of villi, glucose is also become absorbed, and then undigested food material is also sent in large intestine. Large intestine only absorb water from undigested food. Then undigested food materials is also sent to rectum, and from rectum to anus. After some time, they also releases from outside our body. So, in this way, we can say the human digestive system. But in human digestive system, some part is very important for buccal cavity, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, and anus. Means buccal cavity. Esophagus, a pipe-like structure, esophagus, and then stomach, and it is bile duct and gallbladders, the total liver, and then large intestine, pancreas, small intestine, and anus and appendix. So it is a part of a digestive system. Thank you.